So now we will go into the production lines to see how they running the packaging factory.
What will be the MOQ?
3,000 units.
You have the R&D team
Yeah.
and then the designer team that
Yeah.
can bring the idea of the client to life. What is the first thing that your client will be seeing from your product? It's going to actually be the packaging. Today, we are heading to Binh Duong in southern Vietnam, and I'm joined with the team of Global Sources. So we're going to visit a manufacturer that is specialized in premium quality packaging. So it can be gift boxes or paper packaging, and we're going to discover all their collection and have a factory tour. I have today Alice. Alice, welcome here. Can you tell us a few words about this factory as well as the show that's going to happen in April this year?
Hello everyone. So first of all, I would like to extend my warm greetings to viewers watching this program. I'm Alice from Organizing Committee of Global Sourcing Fair 2025. Today I am very delighted to accompany Mr. Guillaume and the multi-Asia team on the visit to HEXING Packaging, one of the most outstanding exhibitors at this year's event, which will take place from April 24 to 26, 2025 at the Saigon Exhibition and Convention Center at District 7. I wish you a pleasant and insightful factory tour. This is the first time we meet, right?
Yeah.
My name is Anne.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm represent for HEXING Packaging Vietnam, and our company are receiving for the order to make the packaging.
So many of your clients are from Europe, US,
yeah,
right?
Company from around the world, and we also receiving to make the packaging in the Vietnam and international.
Okay.
Yeah.
So right now, how is the percentage that is for domestic versus for exports?
It's around 50 and 50%. 50% is for export and 50% for internal.
Okay. Yeah. And initially, it's a Chinese-owned company, so it's a foreign direct invested company from China.
Yeah, this is the factory from China, and we also have the 2 factory in China and 1 factory in Vietnam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And so the Vietnamese factory, is it designed for the same markets or is it specialized for the US?
It's specialized for US because we have the benefits from tariff from Vietnam, right?
Okay.
And so now we will go into the showroom, right?
Okay.
So please come this way. Here is our showroom. We showcase a wide variety of paper packaging solutions in here.
So some of them are dedicated for gifts?
Yeah, dedicated for gift packaging in here.
So what are some of the best sales that you are having?
All of them are the best selling product now because it's depending on the customer requirement. Yeah, and it's also depending on the durability and aesthetic appeal. Yeah, this is the drawer post.
So it's gonna be following the client specifications?
Yeah. And we also have for customer how to design for their products.
So you have the R&D team, and then the designer team that can somehow bring the idea of the client to life. Okay. So maybe can you show some of them? So this is for perfume,
and also can use for the wine. Yeah.
For the wine as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
The small wine.
Okay. And this one is exported to which market?
For the US market.
US market.
Yeah. This is the lithium-made box. Open it out.
Okay.
And then customer can put a lot of small perfume in here. Yeah.
So regarding to the raw materials, do you do only paper? Which type of raw materials are you using?
This type of paper, we use the coach paper and with the lamination and the gloss lamination.
Okay.
For the gift box, if customer have a requirement for many kind of gift to put inside the box, we will offer for this kind of box. This is the calendar box, and customer often want to use for gift.
Gift, yeah.
Yeah, gift packaging. And this type of products we use for office work, for storage items.
Okay, storage item. The specific items, you source them in Vietnam?
In China.
In China? Okay.
Yeah. We short from China, and our headquarters from China will arrange to delivering it to Vietnam.
Okay.
Yeah. This is for high and luxury products for the gift and Halloween. And this is chocolate box. Customer often require some special printing technique, and we also can make it.
So, Ang, for instance, a box like this, let's say I would like to place an order, I have my own design, I would like special printing on it. What will be the MOQ roughly?
Yeah, our MOQ for this box is about 3,000 units. Yeah, and also based on the size and the size of the box.
Okay, so 3,000. Let's say if it's small, it will be probably 10,000, and if it's big, this is something that can be also negotiable.
Yeah, normally our MOQ for all the product is 3,000.
Okay.
Yeah, and we also produce for motherboard trays. Okay. This kind is from motherboard tray.
So this was is made from bagasse?
Yes, we also have the factory to produce for bagasse for motherboard trays in Vietnam, and also near with our factory in here, just about 15 kilometers.
So it's interesting to know that you are also able to source specific materials to make products that are more also going in the sustainable trend. This is a demand that you are having of customers that are more and more eco-conscious and that are looking to have products that are also having a low footprint on the environment.
We can use for the baskets and paper for the materials. And with the MOQ for these trays, we are receiving the order about 10,000 units. We also have the FSC certificate for this product, for these materials. Luxury box is for the cake. We make a lot of symbol for this cake, moon cake.
For the moon cake, So every year we try to create something different, right, from the previous years.
Yeah, and we also prepare some of symbol for exhibition. So we make a lot of tile.
Okay.
Our paper pack for suitable for gift packaging and shopping. Yeah, we use a lot of materials like ribbon and paper. And our MOQ for paper bags is also around 10,000.
10,000. And so for all those extra things, you can easily source them from China, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is for UV printing. Customer also can request and can ask about a lot of printing technique, and so you can make for them. This kind of process, our customer often use to put their shoes or their household tools, like the info and shoes and a lot of things.
And for this is the same, you say 10,000 pieces?
This is for 3,000 BCS
3,000?
only. Yeah.
Okay.
We also produce for pizza packaging. Yeah.
Okay, interesting. What is your MOQ for?
Our MOQ for this product is also 3,000.
Okay.
Yeah. This is folding box, corrugated boxes for our customer. They put the cosmetics inside. And shoe boxes for Puma and a lot of brands. This is the rigid boxes with the book shape. Customer often require for this kind of box is for high-end and luxury product.
Is it something that you have in-house, the cutting, or is it something you will subcontract?
Either we will short the contract and the in the China and in the Vietnam also.
Yeah, you'll be subcontracting this part, right?
Yeah. This is the cardboard box. Our customer is still production in the product now.
Downstairs, we're gonna see them. Okay.
Yeah. And this item have hot stamping. UV printing in here and hot stamping in here with the matte lamination. This kind we have a lot of stationery boxes, and we produce and offer for retailer. Yeah, our customer is office work, and they are prepared to release order for us. They already come to our factory and visit our factory before. This kind of box is our symbol. We make the symbol and show for them. If they interest, they will place the order. Our motherboard tray is produced basis on customer requirement for their products. For example, this tray is used for the chocolate. Yeah, and this tray are used for a lot of small accessory or used for the teacup.
And so the materials of this, you can use also bagasse.
Yeah, all of them are used from baguette. And this kind is used from paper.
And for such item, the MOQ is also 3,000?
This item is 10,000.
10,000?
Yeah,
Okay.
10,000 for a model book trays. And the box is 3,000.
Thank you, Anne, for the showroom visit. I think we get a better understanding about products, ranges that you are offering. And probably now we can head to production line.
Yeah, so now we will go into the production lines to see how they running the production line.
Okay.
And this is our warehouse area to keep the materials like paper and the finished product right here.
Over there. Okay.
Yeah. This is the paper materials like ivory paper. Production office.
So here this is for the R&D.
This is the R&D department, and we also have our own designs.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the cutting machine.
This is a cutting
paper
machine.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is import from China.
From China?
Yeah.
Okay.
They will show you how to cut the paper. Ủa anh một lần cắt vậy được bao nhiêu tấm?
Giấy nhiều cỡ 200-300 tấm để em cắt mẫu.
Yeah.
200 to 300
Yeah.
in one shot?
Yeah.
Done.
This is the finished warehouse. After the casting, and they will move the product in here to waiting to delivery.
So Ang, you were telling me that nowadays you are like an average capacity of 300,000 boxes per day. What is the maximum capacity of your factory?
The maximum capacity is 500,000 units per day.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's going to represent how many containers per day approximately?
Normally about 2 containers per day.
2 containers per day. So they will be arriving over there, and then
Yeah.
you will have here all the loading. And do you know if they are all for the US market?
Also have for the Vietnam market.
Domestic and
Yeah.
export. Okay. Okay. So you have here, I guess, all the technical specifications, the information of the clients that are both written in Chinese and Vietnamese. Yeah.
Yeah. After we cut the paper, we will put in here and waiting for the printing machine. And in the paper, we write a lot of information about the product, about the customer, and about the day they release the order and the delivery day.
Okay. So here we're gonna have the sample, and then
Yeah.
they're gonna compare all the color and make sure that everything is aligned with the client specification.
Yeah, the sample have signed by the customer, and we will keep that sample to compare with a lot of things.
It's gonna be only eyes check.
I check and then put in the computer, and then they will compare the difference of color.
Okay.
After that, they will inform for the master of operator for the machine. They will increase or decrease the color.
Okay. So this is what has been just printed, and this is the sample.
Yeah, the sample signed by customer in here.
Yeah. And then this part of the sample, right? So this one gonna be compared to the sample.
This is for US customer
Yeah.
for the gift pack. This is the finished printing. They will put here and checking. He's arranged to put the color inside the printing machine. We have the offset printing and laser printing. It's different printing technologies, but it's based on customer order, and so we will apply the printing technologies.
Okay. And so this same machine can do both printing, or is it another machine?
This machine is now running for the offset printing. Yeah.
Okay.
This is our QC department. After finish the product, they will check again before packaging.
Okay. So can I take one? So this is the product that we saw
Yeah.
before in the showroom.
For this box, the capacity is 2,000.
So I imagine if sometime you have 10,000 or even more, maybe 50,000 per day,
Yeah.
you have the QC line that are added up, right?
Yeah.
And then you can grow in scale
Yeah.
to be able to do the QC. Okay.
Because now we have a lot of type of packaging, so our production line will be arranged by customer order. So they will make a lot of type of packaging.
So here's gonna be visual QC.
Yeah, visual QC. This flow will focus on produce gift packaging, knitting-based boxes, and folding boxes. Now we have 20 production lines.
20 products
Yeah.
in line right now. Okay. So here they're gonna put the glue.
Yeah, they will put the glue.
Yeah. And then he'll be sticking it. Okay. So we see on the first part they wear the glue, and then what are they doing here?
Yeah, they also put the glue and put the printing with the cardboard. Yeah. This kind of paper, they have to use the cardboard paper and ivory paper. With after printing, they will put it together.
So it still requires a lot of manual work, right? Finally.
This is a automatic machinery to produce for the rigid process. Have a process after finish. They will put in here and repairing for casing product. And this is the magnet.
Magnets inside, okay.
This is the machine to put the magnetic inside the.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so the magnet that we just saw before, this machine is in charge of plugging it inside of it.
They have marked the location to put the magnetic.
So on each part there will be like instruction we see so in Chinese and then in Vietnamese.
Yeah.
So each workers they have the understanding about what are the current things that they have to do, because you say you have more than 20 products right now at the same time in production, right?
Yeah, and we have to show them our customer requirement, and we also put the sample in here beside this case. Yeah. The sample we put inside the box, and so a lot of people and the worker they will see the box and they will know what a difference of the products are and the sample, so they will know it.
Okay. And this is the estimated quantity per hour.
Yeah.
Everything is always well understood.
They will separate the Vietnamese and Chinese in here, and some of the workers they also know the Chinese.
Okay, thank you, Anne. It was I think very insightful to understand everything from how do you get the raw materials, then you have the printing, cutting, the lamination aspect, and as well as the emphasis that you put on the QC that I think are very important at each stage of the production.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for this tour.
Yeah, thank you for visit our factory today, and thanks for sharing our company profile and sharing our information for people. And thank you.
Thank you. See you at Global Sourcing Fair Vietnam.
Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like